Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Altima, and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Altima is equipped with heated steering wheel and it's not working. This video will apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. Now, to lower the cover, you want to gently pry it out using like a flat screwdriver, a small key, or anything similar. Okay, and once you have it off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this black piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the heated steering wheel fuse will be this 10 amp red fuse in the top left corner. So this is the fuse you want to check. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.